So before I started, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching, and if you want to leave a like, please click it down here, and also if you want to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell and all that stuff to be notified whenever I make a new video. So that would be awesome and greatly appreciated. So let's get on to the video. Hello everybody. So today in this video I'm going to show you a few things that I got sent by YesStyle. Yeah, they are a Asian beauty kind of company. They sell Korean beauty, Korean skincare, Japanese skincare, all that stuff. They sell makeup, they sell loads of stuff. They're a really, really good website. I bought from them before and they sent me a box full of goodies to show you. I have been using one of the things in here already. Okay, so the first thing that I have actually been using since I got this parcel is this, which, if it wants to focus, here you go. This is a Tree Serum. I'm not sure the brand. Benton is the brand. Benton. And this has I like how some of these things have got codes and stuff on, so you can, authenticate them, because Korean beauty and stuff like that is so copied. There's fakes of loads of Korean beauty. And yeah, this one, it looks like this. If it wants to focus. Looks like that. I've got some nail varnish on my finger, I do apologise. And this is just a little pump. I've been using this for a few days and I absolutely love it. It's very, very good. If you have bad skin at a certain point, this is amazing. So yeah, the Benton Tea Tree Serum. I will be putting links in the down bar if you want to go and check any of these out. There is also my code and a discount code thing if you want to get some money off. That's down there as well. So the next item is Claire's Fundamental Watery Oil Drop. Yes, Fundamental Watery Oil Drop. Never heard of that before. I haven't opened this one. Here we go. So this one, it offers skin a powerful antioxidant effect with oriental tea complex, various ferment filtrates and peptides. This balanced formula combines the energy of a serum and the richness of an oil with green tea, essential water and Jeju Island, from the Jeju Island. I can't read, I swear to God. Oh, that's a big old thing. That's actually huge. So it is in a glass container. Looks like this. It just looks like water. I suppose it says it's a watery kind of thing. I'll just put a little bit on my hand so I can feel what it's like. It's not oily in the slightest. No real smell to it either. So yeah, usually with these oil things, I'm not a big fan of them because they are too oily for me to do anything with them, but that is definitely a lot better than a lot of the oily ones. Next we have CosRx, or CosRx. This one is a face mask. It is Advanced Snail Mucin Power Sheet Mask. Okay. Formulated with 35,000 ppm of snail mucin filtrate. The sheet mask nourishes the skin to help improve skin elasticity. That's pretty good. I'm always a fan of, nothing else beats a Korean sheet mask. Sheet masks from Korea are the king of everything in the world. These are incredible. So this is what this one looks like. I'm obviously not going to open it on camera now because I actually want to use this. Next thing we have From Green Deep Foaming Cleanser. This one is by Purito. Looks like this. And it says it's gentle yet deep cleansing, fresh foaming formula, low pH, plant-based, simple and clean ingredients, pH balance, smooth daily facial cleanser. So yeah, this is good if you have sensitive skin, or if you find that your skin doesn't like certain things. So this is definitely kind of a more calming kind of foaming cleanser. If you want a review on any of these, please let me know, because I will be happy to do it, because I need ideas for videos. And yeah. Okay, next, this is Frudia Green Grape Pore Control Cream. This looks very interesting. If it wants to focus, look at that packaging. If that's what the packaging's actually like, I'm going to be well impressed. And pore control cream is very good, and green grape. Oh, yes, please. Let's get it open and have a gander. I just realised that I've not actually put my lights on like a solid setting, so they've literally been doing all sorts of flashing in the background, which I don't usually do, but yeah. Okay, so this has like a diagram in here. That's pretty good. Oh my god, the packaging is like that. That's incredible. Oh, and there's a little applicator as well. Give me the applicator. Oh, that is adorable. Look at that. That is the cutest thing. That is genuinely the cutest thing I think I've ever seen in my life. Ooh. Oh my god. That smells insane. Oh, yes, that smells incredible. Oh, some of it's come off in my hand. Some of it is now on my hand, so I suppose I'll use it. Ooh, that's really nice. My hands are very dry at the moment, getting towards that stage where they kind of want to crack, but they aren't at the moment. But that is very, very soothing, and it's kind of nourished my hands. Oh, that smells insane. That's so good. Oh, that, yes. Thumbs up on that one. That one is my favourite thing, I think. Although the tea tree oil is quite good, this is insane. This is amazing. I love this. So yeah, as I said, this is a little video on some items that I got from YesStyle. If you want to check them out, again, the link will be in the down bar. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave a like and all that stuff, and comment if you want to, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.